everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Epic Games account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to sign up or create a new account for Epic Games, then first open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.epicgames.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site of Epic Games. Once you're inside, go to the upper right hand corner and click the sign in button. Scroll all the way down and click on the sign up button in order to create a new account. To sign up, you can either sign up using an email address, your Facebook account, Google, and other social networking sites displayed on the screen. I'm going to choose the first option that says sign up with email. Once you do that, on the next page you'll need to enter your date of birth information by selecting from the drop-down. After you do that, click the continue button. On the next page, select your country from the drop-down, enter your first name, your last name on the next, and type in your display name as well. Enter the same name you'd like to be displayed for Epic Games. And now, go to the next field where it says email address and type in an email address for yourself. While typing in an email address, make sure to enter a valid email address, and on the next field, create a new password for your account. If you'd like to receive news, surveys, and special offers from Epic Games, click this little box beneath. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked. Now, click on I have read and agree to the terms of service, and finally click the continue button. Verify your email address by opening up your email inbox on a new tab, and make sure to open up the same email inbox that you just registered with Epic Games. You'll receive an inbox from Epic Games with an email verification. Give it a click to open and copy your verification code. Once you do that, go back to Epic Games and simply paste in the verification code that you received and click verify email. Soon after you verify your email address, you'll be able to log into your new Epic Games account. That is how you can easily sign up for Epic Games. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.